Check the edges here, making sure it's
In the heart of the storm, the cotton waits.
This rain won't let up. Just get it on the cart. Careful now. How much longer we got? Hurry up! Get the cotton to the carts! Careful in the mud! Make sure it's empty. Got it! Let's go! The rain is getting heavier. Keep it moving, watch the mud. A little more to the left, careful with the chain.
Look at that cotton. It must be soaked. They are running late today because of the rain.
All right, pull ahead to the main loading dock. They'll get you unloaded there. Identification and delivery manifest, please.
Here they are. We have a shipment for lot 4.
All right, everything seems in order. Proceed through the gate.
All right, careful with this batch, it's still damp. Roger that. Get the first pallet ready. All right, next one coming down. Got it. Got it, bring it here. Clear the pallet, let's keep this moving.
keep it moving, clear the area. We're full up here.
Hopper 3 is almost full. Acknowledged. Diverting the next shipment.
Keep an eye on the cleaning efficiency display.
Looks optimized. We are maintaining the required throughput.
Check the edges here, making sure it's uniform.
So, looks clean, we can maintain the speed.
Observe the culmination of the cleaning and carting process, a testament to controlled precision and quality.
Ensure the drafting ratio is correct on all heads.
Quality is looking good on this batch, Supervisor. Check the tension on that delivery roller. It's holding steady. Quality is high.
The roving frame refines the sliver, adding a slight twist to create a stronger strand wound onto these large bobbins.
Check the tension on row 3.
Looks good. Moving to the next set.
The camera focuses on a single spinning position, showing the complete transformation. The roving feeds down through drafting rollers that reduce its diameter.
Make sure these are labeled for Zone 2.
I need a hand with this shipment. Quality check on the red yarn is complete.
Past inspection, excellent quality. Moving these to the finished batch.
Affirmative. Bring the green pallet down to staging area 3.
Stop the machine. We have a broken thread right here. Got it. Stopping the loom.
The warp threads run vertically while the weft threads are carried horizontally by the rapier mechanism, creating this intricate, consistent density.
The humidity levels look good. Yep. Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Yes, this batch is absolutely flawless. Recording as passed.
This batch looks perfect, ready for shipment.
We're almost done with the first batch.
Good, get the labels ready. We need that pallet in bay 4 right now. Keep it moving.
Watch your step, pallet coming through.
All right, bring the next one up.
Heading up to storage now.
It's finally here. Number 10 in the gold edition. Absolutely perfect.